Hey guys, welcome back! So this is a very exciting video. The giveaway has finally come to an end, and I want to thank each and every one of you who entered, and especially those who downloaded the game and played the game. It was a lot of fun for not only me but my husband as well, and I hope you guys also. So yeah, just thank you so much, you guys. And don't worry, this is not my last giveaway, so if you didn't win, don't worry. There will be more, I promise. But yes, I did choose the winner. I already announced the winner on Instagram for each of my giveaways because I was having 2 giveaways if you didn't know. So yeah, the winner of the secondary giveaway, sorry, let me just get better lighting here. Ooh, look at that lighting. So the winner of the secondary giveaway was gonna be the one who had the most Christmas gems, which was Tina's Reborns. So she is getting a box of goodies. I didn't want to show the contents of the box. I mean, I guess I could have wrapped it all up and then posted it, but yeah, I have it all wrapped in here. Oh, sneak peek of diapers. So she has tons of goodies for her baby girl because that's what she wanted. She wanted 0 to 3 month baby girl, so that's gonna be for her. Super excited about that. Like, that is such a good box of goodies. For the baby, I will insert the clip here of the winner. Alright guys, so let's see who's gonna be the winner. Special Snowflake Nursery, congratulations! I'll send you a message on Instagram. Woohoo! Alright, so congratulations, Special Snowflake Nursery. I'm so excited for you. She actually has had my babies in the past, but it's been so long, so I'm excited for her to see some of my new work. Yeah, I'm super excited. So let's get to the baby here. I got the baby, so I already have all the goodies for the baby. I bought a bunch of gender neutral stuff because I didn't know if the winner was gonna want it to be a boy or a girl, so everything is super gender neutral. That with the cute polar bears, and then welcome to the world, and just this cute little outfit and a passy. That gender neutral passy and a gender neutral blanket. So I'm going to get the baby dressed, and I'd like to take some pictures of it, and then we will get it packed up to go. Alright, so I hope this lighting is okay. Yeah, so this is the Brittany Reborn kit for Mouthful Baby. So I did her matting a little bit different because usually I use the dewy skin, but I ran out of it, so I decided to try matte varnish. So it's a little different. I would say it's okay. I think I might like the dewy skin more, but this is definitely okay. I just like how the dewy skin gives more of like a shine, whereas the matte makes the skin look, well, very matte. Alright. Oh, you're so cute, little baby. Okay, so I'm going to take some photos of her and then I will get back to you. Alright, so I hope you guys liked her pictures. I thought they turned out pretty nice. So now I'm gonna wrap her up. So first thing I always do when wrapping babies is I put diapers on their head, just because I feel like it protects them, and it's literally something that I've done for like since I've started making dolls and sending them out. So yeah, gonna make her a diaper head. Alright, so I have a little baggie with the passy and some business cards. So put those in there, and then let's put tissue paper over the whole thing. Like so. And then all I have left for each box is I did get the winners a little card, so I'm just gonna write a sweet little note to them, and then that is it. So congratulations again to the winner. I hope you guys enjoyed this little box packing video, and yeah, I can't wait to see when the winners get their packages. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.